What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as you guys can see, I have the iPhone XS Max smart battery case in white. I picked this up yesterday for around $120 because I didn't pay the taxes. Well, the taxes got negated because of the gift card I had. It was a $25 gift card, or else the total would have been $140 with taxes in California. So this has been the most expensive case I've ever bought in my whole entire life. I've never bought a case more than 30 or 40 bucks, and now I just spent like 120 on an Apple case. So this is my first time actually buying an actual Apple case, but I've been wanting a smart battery case since the iPhone 8 Plus, or whenever the iPhone 7 Plus one came out, or the iPhone 7 one came out. So yeah, when they finally came out with this one, I was like, this is my chance. And I picked up in white because I do have the white XS Max, so I thought it would be a nice combination just to have it white on white. And I picked this up from the Apple store yesterday. I didn't get it shipped because it probably would have taken a couple more days, and I just wanted it yesterday. So let's get the unboxing. Tab right here, and just like that, you pull that out, and that's it for the box. And here's the case. Let me pull it out so you guys can see it better. Alright, so I'll put the case to the side right now. And as here you have the instructions. So when I did pull out the case, it did feel a little bendy or flexible right here, but with this picture you can clearly see that it was meant to flex down in order to slide your phone right in. You have the two markers right there. You have the one that says push it down in, and then you have the one that says flex it down. So you're supposed to do both at the same time. Is there any other paperwork inside of the box? I believe not. Just a bunch of like info and warranty, I guess, stuff like that. There is no stickers included or Apple Lightning connector, so yeah, so you're getting less stuff with this one than previous Apple products. Let me just, there we go. And inside, is there anything else? No, that is it. So that is all that comes in the box. I'll put it right back down. I like to keep these boxes, I don't know why. Slide it back in there. Bring my phone out so you guys can see. Alright, I got my iPhone XS Max here, and I have the case right here, so let me try doing these two at the same time. And you bend it, you bend it, you bend it, and it's in. Oh, okay, so as you guys can see, this is accessory. Let me see if you guys can see it. It says accessory not supported by this device. So click OK. Oh, whoops. So I am on what a software update I am on. I'm on the one before 12.1.3. So if you do not have this one installed and you're waiting, then your smart case will not work with this software version. So you do need to download and install, which I have not. But I'll do that one in a different video. This was sort of an unboxing. The next video I'll do, it'll be a setup. But look at this, guys. Maybe I should have gone with the black one. There's already like hairs and like, I don't know how to explain. It's just getting kind of dirty already. This may have been a mistake taking the white over the black, but the white looks just so clean. I can probably get some wet wipes or something, clean this off. But as you guys can see, this case is made out of a silicone type. So if you guys have had the silicone cases from Apple before, Just the basic ones, I think they're like 30 or 40 bucks. It's super expensive just for a silicone case. But yeah, it is made out of the same material. And instead of having the big hump like stop right here in like the previous version of this, Apple has now implemented a whole like ending design, so it flushes out to the end and it just doesn't stop and go. So in my personal opinion, that looks a little better than just having a hump right here like a camel. But to you might like the other ones. So you still have the access to the lightning connector, so you can plug in your headphones, access to your speaker or microphone, and up here you do have decent protection. But I mean, if you're dropping this case, there's a possibility the case might break and your phone might not break, so that would be pretty, but that is the point of a case. But still, this is gonna be an issue for people that do have this in their pocket. Well, most people would have their phone in the pocket, but this would be an issue in specifically this white color, because it is silicone, so everything just gets attracted to it. And I've barely been using it for like 1 minute. As soon as you guys saw me unbox it and put it in, that was the first time. And if I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but there's already like micro dust and like little pieces of like lint and stuff. I mean, I guess you can clean this out, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out a way how to clean this out. But in terms of grip, you do have a solid grip. I've been using a lot of wallet cases with my iPhone since the iPhone 8 Plus, so I am used to having a big thick back on my case, so I really don't mind this at all. I might actually add like a little wallet case in here in the back to so I can be able to carry my card and my driver's license in here. But this is not that bad. If you're used to using wallet cases, which many people are, because who likes to carry a wallet and a phone and whatever else you need to carry, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with this. It's not that bad. People have been saying that it's too heavy, that it's like feels too bulky. Yeah, it is bulky, but if you've had wallet cases before, then I think you'll be fine with it. So that was an unboxing. I'll do a setup guide later just to show you guys how it works and with like a charging and stuff like that. But today I only got time for an unboxing video, and I'll do the setup video later if you guys want to see it. And I'll probably do like a top 5 reasons why I like it, and then I'm gonna do an iPhone XS Max should you buy in 2019 video later on. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and for the price $129, if you live in California, you'll probably end up paying around $140 after taxes, and that is super expensive. Like I said in the beginning, this is the most expensive case that I've bought ever. But I've been wanting this case for a Max version or for a phone that I have had, because I've always had the Plus, and they've never made it for the Plus, and I got the Max, and they finally made it for the Max. So I'm very glad for that. And yeah, so if you have money to burn, you're a power user, then go ahead and buy this one. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. But if you're not such a power user, you barely use it for a day, I feel like you can go without having to purchase this case and save some money and just buy like a $30 power bank and you'll be set. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video, probably in a day or two. And thank you guys for all the love and support. We're on 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do a giveaway. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.